Hello everybody, welcome to another continuity analysis review thingy here on this here YouTube channel. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, we've got the US version of the Disney Junior channel, and in the US version we get a lot of bumpers and promos, and this is a continuity, a pretty recent one, and this is a promo for Puppy Dog Pals. And I got to see a couple of episodes of Puppy Dog Pals. Hi Kia. Bluey! They're so happy to see this pup. Like, it blows me away how happy they are to see this pup. Mixed up adventures. We're talking in a funny voice, That's part of the hot dog song. If you watch the Disney Junior channel, you will know what I'm talking about. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Yeah.
Rev up and go with Mickey Mouse Roadster Racers.
What if I try to use the British voice? When I hear the announcer say something, I'll just say the same thing, but in a British voice. Would that make any sense? Would I be successful? I'm not sure I'm good at imitating Brits. Let's just listen to...
Find missing items and treats for Miku and Chiku.
Great job.
Play Mira Royal Detective.
To an announcer say something. Well, they're not gonna say anything here. This is a bumper without any commentary, aside of the commentary I provide. An album.
Now keep racing towards the finish line with more Mickey Mouse Roadster Racer.
Keep racing towards the finish line with more Mickey Mouse in the Roadster Racers. That's how I imagine a British announcer would say it. But I'm not so sure I nailed it. I don't think so.
Mickey Mouse Mixed Up Adventures every day on Disney Junior, on demand and in the Now app.
On demand and on the Disney Now app. Right now. Cutest, most adorable. Yeah, they're really cute. Hey, wow. She's really slow because these animals are, I believe they're called sloths, and they're really slow. The way they move is slow, and of course they can't talk in real life. But when you make them into anthropomorphic characters,
Sing along with Duck McStuffins on Disney.
They have to talk. But if their movements are slow, you just need to assume that if they could talk, they would talk in a slow way. Yeah, bam, bam. Oh yeah.
Now here comes Mickey Mouse Clubhouse
On Disney Junior. Now it's Mickey Mouse Clubhouse on Disney Junior. I'm sorry if I sound like I'm mocking British people. I just kind of feel uncomfortable using the accent. I feel silly.
to help you solve any case. Books can help you learn new things and open up.
And then it comes out as if I'm mocking somebody. Yeah, Mira Detective, Royal Detective, Royal Detective, Royal Detective. We're on the case. We're on the case. We're gonna see a beautiful looking logo, or maybe.
CMouse.com Early Learning Academy is a proud sponsor of Mira Royal Detective.
Yes, we are. Look, a custom-made Mira logo, where the letters of the Disney Junior logo are the characters from the show. The giraffe really loves taking selfies. I missed an
Now here comes more Mickey Mouse Clubhouse on Disney Junior.
opportunity to repeat the now next thing in British, in my interpretation of British, because there's probably a big difference between what I call my British and real British. And there's a very
It's free. Bow to the wow! Disney Now. It's Disney Junior.
various kinds of British, so I'm just, I don't know, shooting in the dark, or whatever the expression is, however the expression goes.
Now, here comes more Mickey Mouse Clubhouse on Disney Junior.
Now here comes more Mickey Mouse Clubhouse
On Disney Junior.
on Disney Junior. That's how I would imagine a British person would say it. Yeah, just Pete just, you know, stopped in midair. Just the laws of gravity just don't apply anymore for Pete, because when he's in midair he just stops and like does the slam dunk, and then the laws of gravity suddenly do apply on Disney Junior. But that's the end of the video, so I hope you enjoyed it. See ya, bye bye.
Now,